What happens when you eat cucumber every day after 50? The refreshing truth about this everyday vegetable. Imagine opening your refrigerator on a hot summer afternoon. You ignore the expensive supplements. You walk past the fancy health drinks. Instead, you reach for one of the simplest vegetables in your kitchen. A cucumber. Cool, crunchy, refreshing, affordable. It's often sliced into salads, added to sandwiches, or simply eaten as a quick snack. For generations, cucumbers have been part of traditional home cooking around the world. Yet many people don't realize that this humble vegetable contains far more than just water. But what would happen if someone over the age of 50 started eating cucumber every day? Could it help with hydration? Could it support digestion? Could it fit into a healthy weight management plan? Could it provide important nutrients for healthy aging? And why do nutrition experts often encourage people to eat more water-rich vegetables as they grow older? The answers may surprise you. Today, we'll explore what science says about eating cucumber regularly after the age of 50, the nutrients it contains, simple home-cooked ways to enjoy it, and the healthy habits that may make the biggest difference for long-term wellness. Before we begin, remember that no single vegetable can cure disease or reverse aging. Healthy living comes from many small choices made consistently over time. But one simple cucumber may deserve more attention than it usually gets. Why hydration becomes more important after 50. As we age, our bodies gradually change. Muscle mass naturally decreases. The body's water content slowly declines. Many adults become less sensitive to thirst, meaning they may not realize they need more fluids until they're already mildly dehydrated. Hydration plays an important role in many everyday functions, including temperature regulation, digestion, circulation, and joint lubrication. While drinking water remains essential, nutrition experts also encourage eating water-rich fruits and vegetables. Cucumber happens to be one of the most hydrating vegetables available. So, what happens when you make it part of your daily routine? What happens? Number 7. Your body receives extra hydration. One of the first things cucumber provides is water. Fresh cucumbers are made up of more than 90% water, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Eating water-rich foods contributes to your overall fluid intake throughout the day. Proper hydration supports many normal body functions and may help maintain energy levels and comfort during warm weather or physical activity. Adding cucumber slices to salads, sandwiches, or simply enjoying them as a snack offers a refreshing way to increase both hydration and vegetable intake. Some people even enjoy adding cucumber slices to plain water for extra flavor without added sugar. But hydration isn't the only reason cucumber has become popular among health-conscious eaters. What happens? Number 6. You add more fiber to your diet. Although cucumbers are mostly water, they also contain dietary fiber, especially when eaten with the peel. Fiber plays an important role in healthy digestion and helps food move comfortably through the digestive system. Many adults do not consume enough fiber each day, and nutrition experts often encourage increasing vegetable intake to help meet daily needs. Including cucumber in meals may make it easier to increase fiber intake while adding very few calories. A cucumber salad alongside lunch or dinner is a simple home-cooked habit that can contribute to a healthier eating pattern. Fiber-rich foods may also help people feel satisfied after meals, making healthy choices easier to maintain. But perhaps one of cucumber's biggest advantages has to do with something many adults think about after the age of 50. Healthy weight management. Number 5. Healthy eating may become easier. One of the biggest challenges many people face after the age of 50 is maintaining a healthy weight. As we grow older, our metabolism naturally changes. Physical activity may decrease, and unhealthy snacks can quickly become daily habits. This is where cucumbers have an interesting advantage. They are naturally low in calories while providing plenty of volume and crunch. Eating foods that require chewing and make a meal feel larger can help people feel more satisfied. Imagine replacing a bag of potato chips with sliced cucumbers and a homemade yogurt dip, or adding cucumber to a sandwich instead of extra processed toppings. Small changes like these may not seem important at first, but over time they can become part of a healthier eating pattern. The goal isn't to use cucumber as a miracle weight loss food. Instead, it can become one of many nutritious choices that make healthy eating easier and more enjoyable. And speaking of healthy eating, cucumbers also contain several nutrients that many people overlook. Number 4. Your body receives important nutrients. Many people think cucumbers are simply water, but they also provide small amounts of several vitamins and minerals. Cucumbers contain vitamin K, which plays an important role in normal blood clotting and bone health. They also provide vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and beneficial plant compounds. Although the amounts are modest, regularly eating a variety of vegetables helps build a nutrient-rich diet. Nutrition experts often remind us that healthy eating isn't about finding one perfect food. It's about combining many healthy foods that work together. A colorful salad containing cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, onions, and leafy greens provides a much wider range of nutrients than any single vegetable alone. Sometimes the simplest meals are the most nutritious. But one of the most interesting things about cucumbers involves their natural antioxidants. Number 3. Your body receives natural antioxidants. Every day, our bodies are exposed to oxidative stress from normal metabolism and environmental factors. Scientists believe that diets rich in fruits and vegetables help support the body's natural antioxidant defenses. Cucumbers contain several plant compounds and antioxidants that researchers continue to study for their role in overall health. These compounds work alongside vitamins and minerals found in other vegetables as part of a balanced diet. This is one reason experts encourage eating a rainbow of colorful produce instead of relying on expensive supplements. Fresh cucumbers pair beautifully with tomatoes, radishes, cabbage, lettuce, herbs, and olive oil, creating delicious home-cooked meals packed with beneficial nutrients. But perhaps the benefit many people notice first has nothing to do with vitamins or antioxidants. It has to do with digestion. Number 2. Your digestive system may appreciate the extra support. Healthy digestion becomes increasingly important with age. Cucumbers naturally provide water and fiber, two important components of digestive wellness. Fiber helps support regular bowel movements, while hydration helps the digestive system function normally. Many traditional cuisines include cucumber alongside heavier meals, adding freshness and balance to the plate. Simple cucumber salads, yogurt and cucumber dips, or cucumber slices served with lunch and dinner are easy ways to increase vegetable intake. Healthy digestion depends on many daily habits working together. Eating enough fiber, drinking enough water, staying physically active, managing stress, and enjoying a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Cucumbers fit naturally into this healthy lifestyle. And now we've reached perhaps the biggest surprise of all. Number 1. You may eat more fresh home-cooked meals. Sometimes the greatest benefit of a healthy food isn't one specific nutrient. It's the healthy habits that come with it. People who regularly buy fresh vegetables often prepare more meals at home. Home-cooked meals typically contain more vegetables and fewer highly processed ingredients. Buying cucumbers may encourage you to make fresh salads, vegetable platters, homemade sandwiches, wraps, and healthy snacks. A cucumber and tomato salad with olive oil and lemon juice. A refreshing cucumber yogurt dip. Fresh cucumber slices served with grilled chicken or fish. Simple homemade meals like these can make healthy eating feel enjoyable rather than restrictive. But before you start eating cucumbers every day, there are a few important things everyone should know. Should everyone over the age of 50 eat cucumbers daily? The answer may be simpler than you think. Should everyone over 50 eat cucumber every day? By now, you may be wondering whether eating cucumber every day is actually a good idea. The answer is refreshingly simple. For most healthy adults, cucumbers can be a nutritious part of a balanced diet. They provide water, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds while adding very few calories to meals. However, healthy eating is about variety rather than relying on one single food. Cucumbers should become one member of a healthy team that includes tomatoes, carrots, leafy greens, berries, apples, beans, nuts, seeds, and many other fruits and vegetables. Eating a colorful variety of plant foods helps provide a broader range of nutrients that work together to support healthy aging. Most people can enjoy cucumbers regularly without concern. As always, anyone with specific medical conditions or dietary restrictions should follow the advice of their healthcare professional. The good news is that cucumbers are incredibly easy to include in everyday home cooking. The best ways to eat cucumbers. Fresh cucumbers are perhaps the easiest option. Simply wash them thoroughly and slice them into salads or sandwiches. A classic cucumber and tomato salad with olive oil and fresh lemon juice makes a refreshing side dish that pairs well with almost any meal. Many people enjoy cucumber slices with plain Greek yogurt mixed with fresh herbs to create a healthy homemade dip. Adding cucumber to wraps and sandwiches provides extra crunch without excessive calories. Some cultures enjoy lightly pickled cucumbers, while others add them to cold soups during warm weather. Cucumber water is another popular option. Simply add fresh cucumber slices to a pitcher of cold water and allow them to infuse for a refreshing drink without added sugar. Simple home-cooked meals often provide excellent nutrition without expensive ingredients or complicated preparation. But there are a few common mistakes people make. 3 common mistakes. The first mistake is peeling away all the skin. Many of the fiber and nutrients are found close to or within the peel. Washing cucumbers thoroughly and eating the peel whenever possible may provide additional nutritional value. The second mistake is covering healthy vegetables with heavy, high-calorie dressings. A simple combination of olive oil, lemon juice, herbs, and a small amount of seasoning often works beautifully. The third mistake is expecting miracles. Eating cucumbers every day won't cure disease or instantly improve health. Healthy aging comes from many good habits working together. Small daily improvements often produce better long-term results than extreme diets. And one simple home recipe may help you enjoy cucumbers even more. A simple home cooking recipe. Here's an easy cucumber salad that takes only a few minutes to prepare. Slice 1 fresh cucumber into thin rounds. Add chopped tomatoes and a small amount of red onion. Mix in fresh parsley or mint leaves. Drizzle with olive oil and fresh lemon juice. Season lightly with black pepper and a pinch of sea salt. Toss everything together and serve alongside grilled chicken, fish, eggs, or whole grain bread. Another refreshing option is a cucumber yogurt bowl. Mix diced cucumber with plain Greek yogurt. Add fresh dill or mint. Squeeze in a little lemon juice. Sprinkle with black pepper. Serve chilled as a healthy snack or side dish. Simple recipes like these make healthy eating enjoyable and easy to maintain. But before we finish, let's separate facts from fiction. An important reality check. Cucumbers are healthy, but they are not magic. Eating cucumbers every day won't reverse aging. They won't cure arthritis. They won't eliminate high blood pressure. They won't detoxify your body overnight. And they certainly won't replace regular exercise, good sleep, stress management, and routine medical care. Healthy aging depends on many small habits working together. Eating nutritious foods, drinking enough water, staying physically active, managing stress, sleeping well, avoiding smoking, maintaining a healthy weight, and enjoying a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Cucumbers can become one valuable part of that bigger picture. Conclusion. So, what happens when you eat cucumber every day after the age of 50? You increase your intake of water-rich foods. Your body receives additional fiber and important nutrients. Healthy eating may become easier because cucumbers are filling and naturally low in calories. Your digestive system benefits from extra water and fiber. You add natural antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds to your diet. And perhaps most importantly, you may find yourself preparing more fresh, home-cooked meals instead of relying on highly processed snacks and convenience foods. Sometimes healthy aging isn't about discovering an expensive superfood. Sometimes it's about appreciating simple, affordable foods that have been part of traditional kitchens for generations. A fresh cucumber may not seem exciting, but healthy habits rarely begin with dramatic changes. They begin with simple choices repeated every day. If you found today's video helpful, we'd love to hear from you. Do you eat cucumbers regularly? What's your favorite way to enjoy them? Fresh in salads, with yogurt, in sandwiches, or simply sliced as a snack? Share your ideas in the comments because your recipe might inspire someone else to eat healthier. If you enjoy practical home cooking, natural wellness tips, and science-based healthy aging discussions, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future episode. Until next time, eat well, stay hydrated, and remember that small healthy habits practiced consistently may make a meaningful difference for years to come.